Subscribe Dr. Sadik Mathematics channel for getting more online videos.
D square minus 4 into y, that is equal to 3 power x. D minus 1 whole square into d plus 1 into y, that is equal to e power x. How to solve such type of differential equation? We are going to discuss concept and problems on e power ax. What friends? Concept and problems on e power ax. Let us see the concept. Type 1, f of x, that is equal to e power ax, where a is constant. We know particular integral form, friends. What is particular integral form? 1 by f of d into f of x. Now, what is f of x here? What is f of x here? E power ax. What friends? E power ax. Now, 1 by f of d into e power ax. E power ax. Now, that is equal to 1 by f of a. What friends? 1 by f of a. That means replace d by a, friends. Replace d by a. This a. Replace d by a into e power ax, into e power ax. Now, this is our particular integral. Okay, friends. Once again, 1 by f of d e power ax, simply replace d by a. Replace d by a. Then we get particular integral. And provided here f of a is not equal to, this f of a is not equal to 0. F of a is not equal to 0. Now, you can think, friends, if f of a is equal to 0, okay, that case may be also arise, friends. Let us see when f of a is equal to 0. If f of a is equal to 0, then the procedure is 1 by f of d into e power ax, that is equal to, you simply write here x, friends. In the numerator you write x, and then f dash at a into e power ax. That means here what we have done here, for example 1 by d square minus 1 into e power x, friends. E power x. Now, whenever I replace here 1 by what is a value here? A value is 1. So, we get here 1 square minus 1 into e power x. Now, 1 minus 1, the value is 0, friends. That means f of a value is 0. Now, what we have done here, x by, that means you can write it as x by f dash at a. F dash means you differentiate denominator first with respect to d. That means here dou by capital dou into capital D into d square minus 1 into e power x. That is equal to 1 by dou d of d square. D square means we get here 2d. Okay, derivative of 1 is 0. So, into x into e power x. That is equal to, now replace d by 1, friends. So, finally we get here 1 by 2 x e power x. This is our particular integral. Okay, friends, this is our particular integral. Now, if f dash at a is equal to 0, what, friends? If f dash at a, that is equal to 0. Now, what is particular integral, friends? Now, previously we have x. Now, this time we get here exactly x square by f double dash at a into e power ax, provided f double dash at a is not equal to 0. F double dash at a not equal to 0. Now you can understand, friends. Okay, once again. Now here our function is e power ax. Okay, now 1 by f of d into e power ax. Simply replace d by a, friends. Replace d by a. Okay, then we get particular integral, friends. Here provided f of a is not equal to 0. Now if f of a is equal to 0, friends, f of a is equal to 0, then x by f dash at a into e power ax. This is our particular integral. This is the example, friends. 1 by d square minus 1 into e power x. Simply replace d by 1, that means we get 1 square minus 1. This value is 0, like this case. So what we have done here, x by dou capital D of d square minus 1 into e power x. You first differentiate, then replace d by x coefficient, that means a. So finally we get this particular integral. Okay, now if f dash a is also is equal to 0, friends, f dash at a is also is equal to 0, then friends x square by f double dash at a into e power ax. This is our particular integral. Provided here f double dash at a also is not equal to 0. It is enough, friends, here. Now let us see the problems on e power ax, friends. Solve the differential equation d square minus 4 into y, that is equal to 3 power x, friends. 3 power x. Now if you observe here, in previous case we have e power x, friends. Now this time here 3 power x. How do you apply case 1, friends? Here we have to apply case 1. How do we apply? Think. Okay, first of all I want to find complementary function, friends. Okay, solution. Again you write here, what is first step? Complete solution, that is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. You always write the solution, friends, and then you put subheading. What is subheading? First you find complementary function. So what is first step, friends? Symbolic form, as usual. Symbolic form. It is already in the symbolic form, friends. So d square minus 4 into y, that is equal to 3 power x. And then what is next step, friends? Auxiliary equation. What is auxiliary equation? Y coefficient, that is equal to 0. So d square minus 4, that is equal to 0. Simply here d square is equal to 4, friends. D square is equal to 4. So d is equal to plus or minus 2, friends, plus or minus 2. So what is complementary function? C1 e power 2x plus C2 e power minus 2x. Okay, friends, C2 e power 2x plus C2 e power minus 2x. This is our complementary function. Friends. And then what is next step, friends? Put subheading particular integral. So particular integral so what is particular integral here? 1 by d square minus 4 into 3 power x How to apply case 1, friends, here? How to apply case 1? Come on, tell me, anybody? Right. We know one formula, friends, here. We know one formula. What is formula? E power log a to the base e. So what is the answer, friends, here? A. Very good. What, friends? E power log a base e. So what is value? A, friends. So it is 3 power x, friends. Now I want to write this as 1 by d square minus 4 into, I want to write this e power log 3 power x to the base e, friends. Now what is the result here? What is the result? A. What is a in place of a? We have 3 power x. So finally we get 3 power x, friends. So this 3 power x can be written as e power log 3 power x to the base e. Now we have formula, friends. 3 power x means it can be written as x into log 3. So 1 by that is equal to 1 by d square minus 4 into e power x into log 3. Now it is like, friends, it is like e power ax. What is a here? What is a? You compare the formula. What is a? A is log 3. Simply replace d square by log 3, friends. So we get here 1 by log 3 whole square minus 4 into e power log 3 into x. Okay, friends. Simply it can also written as 1 by log 3 whole square minus 4 into 3 power x. So complete solution. We are finding solution for y, friends. So y that is equal to, so what is the complementary function? c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power minus 2x. So c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power minus 2x plus what is particular integral? 1 by log 3 whole square minus 4 into 3 power x. This is the complete solution of given problem. Friends. These two problems are very, very important, friends, because all these two questions are previous year questions. Okay, do it carefully, friends. Once again, it is like here, where it is this one, friends. It is 3 power x, friends. So as usual, we can find complementary function. Whenever you find particular integral, it is like 3 power x, friends. 3 power x. So I want to apply the case 1, friends. Apply case 1, so that we have one formula. What is formula? E power log a to the base e, that is equal to a. So this can be written as e power log 3 power x base e, friends. So finally we get here 3 power x, and then we have, by using the formula, we can write it as x log 3. It is like e power ax. So by comparing these two, what is a value, friends? A value is log 3. Simply replace d square by a. So what is a? Log 3. So log 3 whole square minus 4. Okay. Finally write complete solution, friends. This is case 1, friends. What is case 1? E power ax, and problems on e power ax. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.